In this module, we will look at some video demonstrations of projects in Android Studio to understand the concepts and techniques discussed in the previous modules. We will begin with a project overview wherein you will be able to see the passive view of the MVP pattern. Then we will demonstrate dependency injection through an example simulation of Dagger 2. We will also step through our code by attaching a debugger to our project. As Linus states it point blank, let's go see some code in this module. But before we go ahead and do that, let's recap what we know so far about MVP. By using architectural and design patterns, we can make development a lot easier and faster. Android lacks a well-structured architectural pattern. Without the use of established design patterns, we may run into a number of difficulties along the way, especially problems related to maintainability and testability. The model view presenter pattern increases the separation of concerns and facilitates unit testing. The presenter mediates the communication between the view and the model. The view displays data and directs user interaction to the presenter. The model is in charge of application's business logic. The view role is mostly assumed by an activity or fragment. In our demonstration and in this course, we will use the passive view of MVP as it provides complete separation from our model and allows us to completely mock out the view for testing. The model view presenter has two variants of view updates, passive view and supervising controller. But for our demonstrations, we will use the passive view approach.